Stop bidding like you're the only cleaner. Commercial cleaning bidding mistakes. So if you can't afford to hire a cleaner, your bid is too low. One of the biggest mistakes I see cleaning business owners make is bidding the account based on them doing all the cleaning. Now that might work today, but what happens when your business starts growing? Hey y'all, it's Karen Denton, owner of KSC Commercial Cleaning Services and your KSC bidding consultant and owner of the KSC building. Now today we're talking about a bidding mistake that can keep your cleaning company from growing. Stop pricing the job just for you. When you're starting out, you might be the person doing all the cleaning, and because you're doing the work yourself, you might think, well, if I make $1,500 from this account and I'm doing the cleaning, that's pretty good. But there's a problem. What happens when you get 5 accounts, 10 accounts? You can't physically clean every building yourself. Eventually, you have to hire. So ask this before you submit your bid. Before submitting your price, ask yourself, if I hire somebody tomorrow to clean this account, could this contract afford to pay them and still make my company some money? And if the answer is no, that's a warning sign. Your bid needs to work whether you clean the building or an employee cleans the building. Now, you say an employee costs more than their hourly wage. Well, if you hire somebody at $18, $20, or $22 an hour, that's not necessarily the full cost of that employee. Depending on your business, you may also have expenses such as payroll taxes, workman's compensation, unemployment costs, training, uniforms, supervision, and other labor-related expenses. Now, that's why you need to understand your true labor costs when you're bidding. Build growth into your bid. Now, here's a lesson. Bid for the company you are trying to become, not only the company you are today. Maybe you're cleaning the account yourself right now, and that's okay. I even did it. But price that contract so when you're ready to put an employee in there, the money is already there to pay them. Now, this allows you to take yourself out of the building without destroying the profitability of the account. Now, being busy doesn't always mean you're profitable. You can have a lot of accounts and still not have a profitable cleaning company. If every account requires you to perform the labor because there's not enough money to hire someone, you created a job for yourself instead of building a company that can operate without you. So if the contract only makes money when you do all the cleaning, then you didn't price it for growth. So business owners, cleaning business owners, I want you to answer this one in the comment. If you stop cleaning your accounts tomorrow and had to hire an employee to replace you, would your current prices still make you money? And if you have a bidding question, drop it in the comments. I might answer it in my next video. And remember, you guys, consistency always wins. Let's grow together. So don't price just for you. Price one. If it's a one-person account, price for 2, price for 3, so that your company makes money. We're not in business to create a job. We want to create a company. Let's grow together. I'll talk to you guys on the next video.